Hello everyone, my name is Julia and I am here to tell you about the appliance of reverse osmosis water treatment systems for the removal of lithium ions from water. As we all know, the treated water from the outlet must meet the requirements in all respects. This also applies to off-typical contaminants such as lithium. However, at present there is no reliable data on the efficiency of water treatment by this pollution. Sometimes the concentration of lithium ions exceeds the concentration according to the rules and regulations, such as something with this long number in Russia, which is 0.03 milligrams per liter. Multiple excess of lithium ions was noticed in Novgorod region, Altai Krai, and in some parts of Moscow region as well. Water purification system by RO is now widely used in many fields, and especially in groundwater treatment, artesian water treatment. Compared to alternative processes that make desalination, membrane technology has some advantages. For instance, an ion exchange, filters and distillation. This is the other ways to purify the water. But reverse osmosis system is much cheaper and less dangerous. RO water treatment technology using the most popular nowadays membranes made from composite materials can be considered as developed, but still there are some sports according to its appliance. So the usage of RO system for lithium removal is held up by lack of the data and the review of literature and manufacturers' facts don't give much information, and so you have to admit that the study of lithium removal from water by reverse osmosis technology to be of current interest. So now a few words about the Now a few words about the process itself. So RO is a purification technology that uses a semi-permeable membrane, and implied pressure is used to overcome osmotic pressure. The result is that the solute is retained on the pressurized side of the membrane, and the pure solvent is allowed to pass the other side. To be selective, this membrane should not allow large molecules or ions through the pores, but should allow smaller components of the solution. So for the experiment, the next slide please, we used the unit that you can see in the picture. The installation includes tank for the preparation of initial solution equipped with a heat exchanger and mixer, pump with VFD, RO membrane in the shell, measuring devices, and sampler. The part with A2 membrane wasn't in use at all. And also, you can see the picture, the photo in the next slide. Yes, thanks. About the experiment. For the preparation of a model solution, we used permeate made from water of Moscow water supply system with conductivity less than 12 microsiemens. Prepared solution was feeding to the membrane. To meet the requirements of permeate selection factor, we use concentrated recycle. The practical interest is not only in the lithium removal, but also in the comparison removal of lithium ions with removal of ions with the same properties under the same conditions. So there were complex test solution of lithium and sodium used. Sodium had been chosen because of the extensive data and many engineering methods for design the water systems, water treatment systems. During the experiment, concentration of lithium and sodium ions ranged from 30 to 50 milligrams per liter. Permeate selection varied from 30 to 70%. pH range was from 3.5 to 7.7. And for the change of pH, we used hydrochloric acid and sodium and lithium hydroxides. Yeah, thanks. Next slide, please. Yeah. Lithium and sodium concentration in water samples was determined by the accredited laboratory with the arrow for lithium 30% and for sodium 20%. Then you can see in the next slides some graphs in which the association between membrane selectivity and permeate flow is shown. This is experimental data and its approximation. Having looked at these graphs, I've come to a conclusion. First of all, in all studied cases, the membrane selectivity independently of permeate flow, membrane selectivity for lithium ions turned out to be much higher than natrium. So here in this slide and next, here you are natrium and lithium, and the next one, yes. Also, we can see that independently of permeate flow, the same situation. So the research has shown the possibility to use the rare resourceless water treatment system for the lithium ion removal, and also I can say that the methods and software for the sodium removal could be used for the lithium removal as well. Thank you.